Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 30 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to grow our portfolio to $25,000 in the first 2 years of investing. As you can see, the stock market is back up again for today. On the daily, we're just at 10:30 in the morning, and we're up about 0.3%, so $36, and the total portfolio is up to $11,330, which is awesome. Portfolio is growing again. Perfect time to buy as the market's trying to forecast up in the near future. So lots of volatility in the market recently with everything going on in the world. But what we're doing is taking our emotions out of it and really continuing to dollar cost average about $400 every 2 weeks. So as we scroll down, I'm going to be investing in two pretty special companies. Today, we're going to be investing in TD and TELUS. These two companies were the first two companies I actually did start my investing journey with. So as you can see, we have about $423 into the available to trade. So we're going to start by buying 2 shares of TD today. If we look at the charts before we buy this, the last month or so, TD has been down about $5. So this is perfect time to pick up a couple more shares. Again, amazing yield with 3.26%. So I'm going to buy 2 shares of TD into the TFSA. Perfect. Confirm order. Awesome. And next, like I said before, we're going to be buying more shares of TELUS. I haven't bought TELUS shares in a while, and it's actually had some amazing growth. We're up about 29% all time, and it's got a great dividend yield of 3.94%. So if we can buy about 6 shares or so of this, that'd be great. Again, if we look to the year chart, it's taken a little bit of a dip here near the end. If you look at the stock trends, it's definitely linear and going up over time. So I think this is a great time to buy back into some TELUS shares. So we're going to try to buy 6 shares if we can, see if we have enough to do that. Might even have enough to do 7, maybe not. Okay, so we'll go with 6 shares of TELUS. Confirm order. There we go. And if we scroll back to the top, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of an overview. Again, portfolio's up to $11,300, 11% all time. Really happy with the progress. As you can see near the end here, there's been a lot of ups and downs in the market. But again, you see that staircase going on. We're continuing to dollar cost average over time. So that's how we're going to get to financial freedom later on in life, is to dollar cost average into growth dividend stocks in the Canadian market. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't downloaded Wealthsimple or Shakepay, links are in the description. You get a little bit of a bonus if you do sign up. I think there's an extra referral bonus this week for Wealthsimple as well. So if you guys haven't already downloaded it, go for it. Now is a perfect time to start your investing journey. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in about 2 weeks or so.